All right, we're here with Ryan Breton. Ryan, these images of the fog around the state are mesmerizing.
It's pretty eerie, and it's funny. I've been checking out some of the webcams, and actually, check out this in Kittery and Portsmouth. It's cleared away.
Wow, look at that.
I had to check to make sure that was actually current because this is what it looks like in Portland right now.
Right.
Totally different. Yeah, but that's the drier air that's going to start sweeping through the state tonight. So the fog that we have out there now, even though it is thick, will not be with us all night long. You can see in Portsmouth the visibility has come up, as you saw from the webcam there. But in Portland, we only have quarter-mile visibility, 3/4 of a mile in Freiburg and Rockland right now. There still are a few showers over southwestern Maine. One clipping about Long Lake, it looks like right now, coming out of the Mount Washington Valley, but that's pretty much starting to dry up. Steady rain now moving to the north of Bangor, still raining pretty hard over far down east around Calais and Passamaquoddy Bay, and to the north of Bangor. We still have some rain now through the county, but that too will be making a pretty quick exit this evening. It's pretty balmy outside, 51 in Bangor, 50 in Augusta. We're at 52 degrees right now in Sanford, and there is a little bit of dry weather for tomorrow. High pressure will be building in. We'll have no weather issues during the day tomorrow, and really none for any New Year's Eve plans. But New Year's Day, we have this system to contend with, and it'll be a little bit colder than the one we just had, but it's lacking cold air in general. So that means that for a lot of us it'll be rain, but in the mountains there will be some needed snow on Wednesday. So over the next few hours, that fog will start to dissipate. We'll cool down tonight, but it won't get all that cold. Low temperatures tomorrow morning in the low to mid 30s. We'll have a mix of sunshine and clouds tomorrow, mostly sunny in central and southern Maine, a little bit more cloud cover in the mountains and up north. And then the clouds start coming back in tomorrow evening, but this is midnight and we're still dry at that point. And it's not all that cold. New Year's Eve, sometimes you've really got to bundle up, but tomorrow night temperatures will be in the 30s, maybe even near 40 on the coastline as we ring in 2025. Now at midnight tomorrow night, precipitation getting close, probably just starting to rain over southern New Hampshire and down on the North Shore in Massachusetts, and that comes in after midnight tomorrow night. Now, for most of us, this will be rain, but you get a little bit of elevation, especially near and north of Route 2 and into the Mount Washington area, the Presidential Range too. There will be accumulating snow here on Wednesday, but without elevation, I think this is going to be a largely rain event for central, southern, and eastern Maine, and that rain will be steadiest probably during the first half of the day on Wednesday, and then taper down to some showers Wednesday afternoon. So zooming in, just to give you a better idea of how this will play out, it's really the elevated areas that will get the most. So Sugarloaf, Saddleback, the mountaintops have the potential for 6 or more inches of snow. You get down into the valleys though, Freiburg maybe just an inch or two, same story in the Oxford Hills and around Farmington, 1 to 3 inches. And then outside of there, maybe a slushy accumulation that gets washed away, and the rest of us just have rain that comes through on Wednesday. Tomorrow, seas will be 4 to 6 feet with a southwest wind 10 to 20 knots. Tomorrow will be the warmest day for a while, so enjoy it, because what I haven't mentioned is after this storm goes by, the weather pattern gets rearranged, and it looks like we are entering a cold stretch of weather that may last a week or a week and a half. So starting this weekend, we'll have highs in the 20s, and we may not crack freezing for a little while, especially inland. So the beginning of 2025 is looking pretty cold, even though 2024 will end on a fairly mild note.
Well, it is January after all,
it
so
is.
to be expected, right?
It's going to be appropriately cold, I think.
All right,
Yeah.
bundle up, everybody. Thanks, Ray.